Hello, YouTube. As you are working with Microsoft Excel, recording your own macros, sometimes you have a macro that has a mistake in it and you just want to start it over. But when you try to delete an old macro, Microsoft Excel can make it a little bit difficult. So, for example, if I go to my View menu where I can find that button for macros, and I can either click the very top part or the bottom part to view macros. Let's say that this is the macro that has a mistake and I want to delete it. And if I try to do so, I get this error message saying I cannot edit a macro on a hidden workbook. So in order to delete a macro, we need to unhide the personal workbook. Now, I do recommend that you do this whole process without a spreadsheet opened up. Just open up Excel so that you're at a blank worksheet. That'll just make for a smoother experience with this. And our first step is to visit the View menu and look for the Unhide button, and we want to unhide the personal workbook. After doing so, we then have the personal workbook opened up, and we're going to go back to the View menu and back to the Macros button. And here is that macro I want to delete, so I'll go ahead and click to delete that particular macro, and I respond with a yes. Now here's the next important step. We need to re-hide this personal workbook. So as long as you see that it is a personal workbook, we'll just click this button to hide. And now we're back to that empty Book 1 workbook. And here's the last important step. We're going to go ahead and X out of this empty workbook. And you'll get a prompt here about, do you want to save changes you made to the personal macro workbook? So absolutely, we want to say yes to do that. So after doing so, if you reopen the Microsoft Excel and visit the View menu, you should find that that particular macro is now gone. Hope that helps.